Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Save Earth. Saving the Earth means taking care of our planet. We can save the earth by recycling things like paper, plastic, and glass. Planting trees helps clean the air we breathe. Using less water at home can help save this precious resource. Turning off lights when we don't need them saves electricity. Riding bikes or walking instead of using cars can reduce pollution. Keeping our surroundings clean helps protect animals and plants. We should never litter and always throw trash in the bin. Using reusable bags, bottles, and containers help reduce waste. Saving the earth means making it a better place for all living things. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.